Ever wonder what a shrimp does all day? It might seem like they just float around, but there's a whole secret world happening in their tiny lives. Let's dive in and explore the surprisingly busy day in the life of a shrimp. First things first, what kind of shrimp are we talking about? There are thousands of species, from the tiny ghost shrimp in your aquarium to the giant tiger prawns on your plate. But most of them share a similar daily routine, driven by two main goals: finding food and not becoming food. A shrimp's day usually starts before the sun even rises. Many shrimp are most active during dawn and dusk. This is called being crepuscular. It is the perfect time to hunt because the low light helps them hide from bigger predators like fish, crabs, and even birds. So, as the world is waking up, our little shrimp is already busy using its sensitive antennae to sniff out a meal. So, what's on the menu? Shrimp are the ultimate scavengers and janitors of the aquatic world. They're not picky eaters at all. They'll munch on algae, tiny bits of decaying plants, leftover food from other animals, and even microscopic organisms. You can think of them as the cleanup crew of the ocean floor. They use their many small legs, called paraeopods, to carefully pick up tiny morsels and bring them to their mouths. It's like watching someone eat popcorn, but with way more legs involved. After a busy morning of foraging, it's time for a little rest and relaxation. During the bright daylight hours or the darkest parts of the night, many shrimp will find a safe place to hide. This could be under a rock, inside a crevice, or nestled amongst dense aquatic plants. Hiding is their number one survival strategy. Their translucent or camouflaged bodies are a huge help, making them nearly invisible to a passing predator. While they're hiding, they're not just sleeping. They're constantly grooming themselves, using their specialized little claws to clean their gills and antennae to make sure they in top working condition for the next food hunt. One of the most fascinating parts of a shrimp's life is molting. A shrimp's skeleton is on the outside of its body, like a suit of armor. To grow bigger, it has to shed this old, tight exoskeleton. This is a very vulnerable time. Before molting, a shrimp will hide away for a few days. Then it wiggles and squirms until its old shell splits open and it can back out of it. The new shell underneath is soft at first, so the shrimp has to stay hidden until it hardens. It's a risky process, but essential for growth. And get this, they often eat their old shell to recycle the valuable calcium and minerals. Nothing goes to waste. What about their social life? It really depends on the species. Some shrimp are loners, preferring to keep to themselves. Others, like the popular cherry shrimp you see in aquariums, live in large groups. Hanging out in a colony offers protection, their safety in numbers. In these groups, they'll forage together and communicate through subtle movements and chemical signals. As dusk approaches, it's time for round 2 of feeding. The shrimp ventures out from its hiding spot once again, using the fading light as cover. This evening meal is just as important as the morning one, giving it the energy it needs for the night ahead. The cycle of eat, hide, groom, and grow repeats every single day. So, from a pre-dawn breakfast to a late-night snack, the daily life of a shrimp is a constant hustle for survival. They are the diligent, unsung heroes of their ecosystems, cleaning up, providing food for others, and living a life full of fascinating little rituals. The next time you see a shrimp, you'll know it as not just drifting, it's living a very full and busy life. Thanks so much for watching and learning about these amazing little creatures with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the animal kingdom. See you in the next one.